Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming our world and creating new opportunities for generating income. Here are 5 ways you can use AI to make money in 2023. Investing in AI stocks. With AI driving the growth of many industries, investing in companies leading the way in AI development can be brilliant. You may have watched companies like Alphabet, Amazon, and Microsoft invest heavily in AI research and development. AI-powered trading. AI-powered trading platforms use machine learning algorithms to analyze market data and make more accurate predictions about market trends. You may use such platforms to make informed investment decisions and generate investment returns. AI-enhanced marketing. AI-powered marketing tools can help businesses target customers more effectively by analyzing their behavior and preferences. You can use these tools to optimize your marketing campaigns and improve your return on investment. AI-driven personalization. AI-powered personalization can help businesses create more personalized customer experiences. Businessmen's been using this technology to create personalized products and services that cater to the unique needs of my customers. AI-assisted decision-making. AI can help individuals and businesses make better, data-driven decisions by analyzing large amounts of data and providing insights. You can use AI tools to analyze market trends, customer behavior, and other data points to make informed decisions about my business. The methods include investing in AI stocks, using AI-powered trading platforms, enhancing marketing efforts with AI, creating personalized customer experiences with AI, and using AI for decision-making. The person discusses their experience with each method and emphasizes AI's potential to transform future income generation.